this is part 3 of Gym Tycoon. So I said I was gonna be back when I finish this, but I want you to be here when I finish it. Yeah, I'll be right back. Well, I did leave. I had to eat, but I actually realized I'm gonna have to go do something really quick. I'll be right back, okay? Okay, so you guys seen everything that I needed to show you. So I actually got a lot of money when I was gone. Wait, I have to. Oh, right. Okay, so equipment. I think I don't have enough for that. Yeah, I don't. And it's like really annoying because it's really expensive. But okay, never mind. I was gonna say I'll just like buy something else, but yeah. Oh, when we had go into this area, we would like maybe light a cute little light on both sides. That's cute. I'm very much liking it. So I think if it has like on here and like some things, it has a smiley face on it. Um uh bruh, I have 2 people cleaning the garbage and not one of them got that. That's kind of sad. I'm really buff at this game though. Like, look how buff I am. Like, my shirt is like not even fitting me anymore. Oh, and the background noise is just my sister. She's playing Fleet in the facility. So yeah, if you hear anything that's not this game, then it's her. And my mouth, then it's her. Yeah, I really like this. It's really tall. Oh my god. Wait, does this say the name of it like up there? It says my name twice. I don't. Okay. This is like really tall, which I love. But let's make some buddies. But yeah. Let's just collect this money. Money, money, money. I have a lot of these bats, and I have them all upgraded the same. I like to have everything upgraded the same. You might have realized that with me, that's something that I do. Okay, let's see. Is there any bunnies? Oh, yeah. Oh, no, we have 10 seconds left. Okay, let's see. Daily report. Ooh, that's a high total. Only lets me a 56.6k monies. Oh my god, look at my energy. Do you get it? It's a 6-9. Okay. But anyways, I think I'm gonna move these because like you're gonna have to walk past these people, and being as buff as you are like right now, like there's not really any like room. So what we're gonna do oh, we could level these up a higher level. No, I pressed the wrong button. Let's just see what it looks like anyway. Oh, it looks like that. That's pretty cool, actually. I know I'm not trying to do this right now, like spend my buddies, but I accidentally did it, which means they all have to be the same. It's a lot of money I'm spending right now. Just because I like everything equal doesn't mean you have to spend all your money. Doesn't mean you have to spend all your money, Marissa. I need to get that. Okay, let's put this here. Let's move this to here. Actually, I think I should like have things more spread out. Like everything's so tight in that I like do. Like okay. Wow, a lot of like we could put that there, maybe this there. So like we could put these together. So this could be there. This could be, no, actually move them more. This could be there. 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 I don't know if it's all equal, but it looks pretty cool. And you still have enough room. You have like all this room, like to walk past. Just don't hurt yourself there, or else that would really hurt. But yeah, 88's pretty close to 100, so I'm just gonna work out. And I'm still not allowed there. I'll be back as soon as I have like 0 energy. So the sad thing is that I don't have any energy besides 1. I still can't go in there. And I need to find some energy. No, let me hear it, please, 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 please. This is really sad. I missed it to get that. Like, I could have just waited, you know? If the capacity didn't have to be full, I probably would have been able to buy it with how much monies I have, because I have a lot. So I'm gonna go home because of this and because equipment. I'm almost there. I can't wait. Well, I'll be back as soon as this like bank thing is over. Okay, so it's over now. I didn't get that big of a tip. Wait. I have enough. Oh my gosh. Okay, where should I put these? Huh. Okay, the only empty space I have is over here. So we're just gonna... Actually, I don't like first person. I don't really use first person, actually. I don't know which way this goes also. I guess it goes that way. Okay, yeah. No. Yeah. So, I want to see someone use it. Oh, he's using it. No! Yay, I saw him use it. I'll be right back, okay? Yay, so we finally got one of these. It was very expensive, and you can see them using it. Super cool. You kidding me? I have a lot of gems. I could buy almost this one. Imagine I bought this one or like this one. I bet it would be really fast. I actually just want to waste 50 just to see how fast it goes. This is something that cannot handle bumps. So this was a bad idea to bring it here because we have like this thing guarding it. Okay. So we can go. Oh wow, this is going fast. Yeah. Every car goes fast. It's just they get their fastness slower and faster, I should say. I'm like saying that because like you should get it. Cause like this is going really fast around the whole thing. Like 2 times until I crashed. But anyways, I'll be back as soon as I have 0 energy. Sorry my dog's like being crazy right now. Anyway, I'm going. Wow, I'm so buff I can move a car. Okay, go home. Let's walk in like we're working out there. Check me out, bruh. Are you gonna check me out? Thank you. I actually came here for free. So, because I own this place. So I'm just gonna relax and chill. Yeah. Uh, uh, it tells you here, so I'm gonna go there at 20. No, 15, actually. Oh my gosh, my dog keeps on barking. Oh, it looks pretty cool. What is she? That's invisible, girl. Okay, this is what it looks like. It looks pretty cool. Let me like rate it up. Ooh, do you know what I just realized? I might be able to upgrade this. I can't until level 12. Can I upgrade these mats? I kind of want to. I spent a lot of money upgrading mats, honestly. I just... Did I get it? I got it. I forgot what time it was. 2 per workout, 3 per workout. That's as high as you could go. Wow, I bet it's 4 per workout. I want to get in there. Oh my gosh. My core's just sitting there. Okay, well, I'm going to wrap it up for today's video. I am probably going to do a part 4, I think. I don't know, though. Bye! Have a great rest of your day.